Hi everyone, this is Naomi with Hookui. Welcome to Module 10, One Pen Stroke Challenge, Inquisitive Puzzles for Developing a Logical Thought Process. The Olelo meaning for this module means, let the singer select the song, let him think for himself. The important dates for Module 10 are as follows: Monday, February 3rd to Sunday, February 9th. That is 1 week to review materials. Then you have 2 weeks to implement with students. That's Monday, February 10th to Friday, February 21st. And then the big due date is Sunday, February 23rd. That's when the online mentor check-in and student logs are due by. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 format, 5 big ideas, 4 action items, 3 community posts, 2 celebrations and 2 challenges, and then 1 log per student. Then the big ideas for this module are, number 1, critical thinking skills are useful in nearly all academics, language arts, science, and math. Big idea number 2, most careers require critical thinking skills. Big idea number 3, strong leaders and team members possess good critical thinking skills. So it is something that is useful beyond the classroom, and hopefully students will start to see the importance of being able to think outside the box and think logically and figure things out when things get tough instead of backing off and maybe even avoiding problems. Big idea number 4, as a Hawaii DOE faculty member, how can you encourage your students to be independent thinkers and utilize their critical thinking skills? So this is a really big question and challenge for all of us, is how do we support these students to do these things that maybe are not in books, but are again super helpful and very relevant to their lives outside of school? And then big idea number 5, critical thinking and logical reasoning courses are offered at most colleges and universities. The Wellbeing Focus is actually a local girl, Palufunga. She did a TED Talk called Believe in Yourself. So we ask that you watch it and think about how it relates to your students as well as to your personal life. 4 action items. The first one is to share the YouTube video with students, and that is entitled 7 Reasons Why Critical Thinking is Important, at that link there. The second call to action is to prep materials for each student and introduce the line activities. There are several options to do. The first one is called 2 Circles and a Line. There's also Boyd, Puzzle, Olympic Star, and Avengers if time permits. So try to do those in order. Those are by level of difficulty. And you can split them up amongst days. Again, kind of see where your students are at and how much time they need and what level of challenge they're able to do. Number 3, have a group discussion with the students. Some sample questions are, were there some puzzles that were more difficult than others? Did you want to give up at all? Did you approach the puzzle with different solutions? Again, just sort of having a discussion about the meaning and how this can apply to them in their own terms. And then the well-being practice is action item number 4. Again, that's to watch Palufunga's TED Talk and think about how it relates to your students as well as to you personally. 3 community posts. These are suggestions. The first one is to share your experience doing the line puzzles. Did your students enjoy the puzzles or become frustrated quickly? Prior to this module, did your students give critical thinking skills much thought? The second post idea is to list a positive outcome your students experienced from this module. And then the third idea is to share about the Wellbeing Focus. Share your thoughts about Palufunga's TED Talk and how it applies to your students as well as you personally. The online mentor check-in form, please do that by Sunday, February 23rd. Again, it includes feedback about your learning and implementation, 2 celebrations and 2 challenges, amongst other information that we are interested in collecting. And then again, 1 log per student. Please do this by the same day, February 23rd. I wanted to just quickly go over the line puzzles. This one is called 2 circles and a line, and the challenge is to recreate this shape, but you cannot pick your pen or pencil off the paper, and you're not supposed to cross the same point twice. So obviously that's going to create a bit of a challenge and use some critical thinking skills and thinking outside of the box. This one is the Boyd puzzle. This one is the Olympic star. And this one is the Avengers. And the solution to this, 2 circles and a line. So imagine again, these points are touching, but remember the original picture. So you're going to start here, go up, around, down, like this. That is a solution that's in the manual. There might be other ones that your students might think of. So if so, please share them with us. And then the Boyd puzzle, the answer is that there is no solution. Of course, that just means that a solution hasn't been found yet. So maybe your students will be the first one. Avengers, again, there is no solution. And then Olympic star, this is a little bit tricky. So you start here, go around like this, down, around the star, there, 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 there. Okay, so you have the answers. Again, as always, thank you so much. Please reach out to your site coordinators and let us know if you have any questions. Have a great module. Enjoy. Thank you.